The overall goal of this experiment is to investigate the uncatchable smile in Leonardo da Vinci's La Bella Principessa and compare it with the Mona Lisa and a control portrait.
This method of investigating multiple attributes can help identify what creates the ambiguity in the expression of La Bella Principessa and the Mona Lisa.
The main advantage of using different research methods was to conduct a research investigation that developed without prior beliefs, thus minimising potential researcher bias.
In a well-lit room, begin by displaying La Bella Principessa's portrait in the center of an A1 paper pad that is resting on an easel. Ask the participant to describe the woman's expression and note any differences in the participant's response as they view the portrait from close up and from far away. Have the participant write down their observations on paper. To begin, place 2 markers on the floor in front of the easel, one 0.5 meters from the portrait for the close-up condition, and the other 8 meters from the portrait for the far condition. Depending on the experimental condition, display exact-sized foam-backed digital copies of La Bella Principessa, the Mona Lisa, or the portrait of a girl at the center of an A1 paper pad resting on the easel 1.80 meters from the floor. Ensure that the easel is placed under diffused lighting at the end of a long hallway with 2 doors that are 0.5 and 8 meters from the portrait, respectively.